Hazel.
And my name is Gerald.
So today we want to play
Baby Mask game.
This game is good for kids.
They have education day.
Yup, this game have education like Gerald say. What education has?
They don't have a virus. They open from the Google.
Yeah, and then this game is education and learning about counting, reading,
And play games.
Yeah, this game is good for kids. It teaches us how to cooking, how it teaches us how to playing. Yes, it teaches us the good one. So today let's play. Last time I just picked the game. So right now in this video, Gerald will pick the game. Go. Which one game you want? This food already.
Let's try. Let me see first.
He can already see close already. Here. Let's play Panda Holiday.
Holiday, don't you say okay.
Come on.
Let me see this one. Cookie.
Okay, go. So,
See.
I will play first, and the second one is Gerald's turn, and the third one we play together. So, friend, if you want to download this game, you can search it from the App Store or Play Store. You search Baby Mask game.
Yeah, but when you don't know, you need to tell your parents.
Download is complete. Let's start playing the game. It's time to eat. But I don't want to eat.
Right.
You can count on us. We will help you make delicious and nutritious meals.
Drumstick. I don't want.
Okay, so you come on.
Let's see. Who can? Did you know what fish? Fish? Wait, we use fish for what?
Fish.
Gosh. Ew, I hate it.
I am fish. I
What
can
is
make you
this?
smarter. I want to turn into delicious fish soup.
What skill is that?
Fish scale.
Can you help it remove
What
fish
happened?
scales?
These are the feet.
Pick out fish bones.
What? How many?
Be careful with fish bones when
This is
eating,
one,
and
too.
don't swallow them.
Just two.
This two. Ooh. Oh, for the first one you.
Jumpity, 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 jumpity,
Ooh.
jumpity, jumpity.
Oh. Hey.
Bun. This is her butt.
It's not hot. I think that is hot.
Tacky mushroom. Open her mouth.
Hello,
She's
talking
doing
mushrooms.
it.
Would you like to
Jumpity.
turn the fish soup together? Sure.
Jumpity.
Jumpity.
Love to.
Jumpity.
Jumpity.
Talking mushrooms jump into the water first.
Ew. What is he doing? Showering. Ew. Ew, look. The butt.
No.
Help the fish push the talking mushrooms ashore.
This
See
is
that?
this is Toby. Little Toby.
Hello, little tofu. Would you like to join us to turn
I
into
do it
fish
anyway.
soup? Sure. Fish soup will be more nutritious with tofu added.
Yummy tofu. I'll get
Slice
out.
the tofu into
You wait, wait.
small
I
pieces.
see. I see.
Let's start boiling the fish soup.
Balloon.
Stop.
What is this?
It's time to eat.
Dirty. You want to drink soup? You want to drink soup? I'm already finished.
So delicious, right?
So delicious. I would like to have more fish soup.
Broccoli.
You will be smarter with more fish soup.
The second one is broccoli. Ooh, I see something.
I can enable you to poop easily.
I am
I
broccoli.
can
I can enable you to poop easily.
What happened?
I
What happened to him?
fried broccoli with shrimp. Wow.
See, what is upside down?
Broccoli have been picked. The broccoli pieces are a bit dirty and gonna take a bath.
How you do that? Hey, what does it feel like this?
I don't know.
Hey, what I can do?
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, wait.
Hello, shrimps. Would you like to turn into stir-fried dish with me?
Wait, they don't have feet.
Yeah. It's like a caterpillar.
He don't like this.
Yep.
So like car, see?
Hey.
Wait, open.
I don't know. See? Wee. Oh.
Already did?
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, skin. The shrimp skin. Wee.
You like that?
Wee.
And it boil. And what do you turn red?
See?
Carrot. Look, carrot long way, it's short.
It's like angry crab.
Hello, carrot.
You
Would you
just
like
stay
to
your
join
body.
us to turn into stir-fried
I can do it.
together?
faster.
Of course. The
Huh?
carrot will
Wait, you're
enhance
right.
the flavor of this dish.
Hey, wait.
Ooh, make it hard.
Look at the face. See the face?
It's handsome. Think this one's pretty? Oh no.
How happy?
Happy.
Baby.
I think this is oh wow, flower.
What is this? The cutter?
Yeah. I think you use knife to cut it.
Where's she going? Pelari.
Let's start cooking.
We're
I
jumping.
don't know. Oh. Say hi. Dancing.
No.
Huh?
I have an idea.
The third one.
It's
we
time
play
to
together.
eat.
Right, Frank?
Right.
The broccoli is so delicious. The broccoli is tasty and
Nice.
healthy. I'm gonna have it every day.
Do it for red.
Potato.
Potato?
We play together. The first one.
Potato pie?
Yeah.
Potato.
Try.
I
Huh?
am potato.
What is
I can make
this?
you prettier. I want to turn into the
Why
delicious
did you
potato
peel?
pie.
Why?
Wait.
The potato removes its peels. It's amazing.
Wow.
How?
More.
How?
Oh, it's easy. I don't know. I think have a magic spell. Ooh.
This is a magic
I'm
spell.
busy too. Last one.
When they have a peel.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm a little, I'm a
The
little.
second one is you. Right, right. Ooh, it's color red. Take this one.
Wait, what
Wow.
is this?
I don't know. This hand.
Is it a toy?
Potatoes want to turn
Ooh.
into tasty
Have
mashed
some.
potatoes.
My hand. Ooh, you hear that? Wow.
Ow, ow. This is ice.
Hello, broccoli. I would like to invite some chopped broccoli to turn into potato pie with me.
We cut the head.
I don't know.
Great! Broccoli can make potato pie more nutritious.
Ooh.
Let's escape. Escape.
You like a hat.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this, okay? Stick my brush, okay?
Look that the eyes.
Look at this.
The
Hello,
eyes.
carrots.
Yeah.
Do you want
Ooh,
to turn into
what's this?
potato pie with me?
Carrot slice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Potato pies will be more nutritious with carrots added.
Trrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr So we must cut it. Ooh.
Hey, just stay here. Don't pour it on the movie. And
Ooh. It's big. It's mashed potato.
dang, dang, dang.
Potato pie is so adorable.
No.
Wait, I think the last one's good. Oh no. I think last two. Ooh. I love it. Oh no, three already. Just three. Okay, second, go.
Okay.
Come on. Ding, 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 ding.
My arm is itchy.
Yeah, okay.
Mosquito bites.
The oven party is starting now.
Eat. Start to eat.
How
First one
many?
is mine.
I can have to.
It's time to eat.
But let's see.
The potato pie is so delicious.
Okay, friend.
I'm
This is the end for our
awesome at
video. Don't forget to like, comment, and this down there. Okay. So this game is teach us how to eat the vegetable, right?
Right.
And it teach us how to eat a potato, carrot, and broccoli.
Right.
So you must to eat that, okay? So the broccoli make your eyes is like eagle eyes,
Like eagle, I can see far away.
far away. If your friend use the goggles, you
Can see closer.
yeah. If you eat the broccoli, you can see more far away. Okay? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.